This is a 2012 Mini Cooper. She's got the John Cooper Works body kit on her, as you can see. She's in great condition. Slight mark there, just on one of her stripes. We might be able to touch that in, but I can't see any stone chips across the bonnet, etc. She's wearing 17-inch Challenger alloys. She has clear indicator lenses, blue wing mirror covers, chrome door handles. That's her side skirt, and this is the rear alloy wheel. Coming around the back, she has got rear parking sensors, and she's got the chrome line exterior. She is a Cooper. Not much to show you inside. Boots all good. Coming around this side, that is her rear driver's side alloy wheel. Clean lines all the way down the side. Just going to show you in. It's her rear seat. She has got the chili pack with the half leather. That is her front passenger seat and her front driver's seat. No marks on the bolster anywhere. She's got two keys, one here in the lock and here's the other one. Both of them are remote. I'm just going to step in and start her up. Helps if you put the key in. Don't know if you can see there, she's got 15,000 miles or 2022 before she needs any attention at the minute, and she's done 29,259 miles, so she's really low mileage. Coming across here, I don't know if you can see, but she has got her telephone, so her Bluetooth is here. And if I just push this one, you'll see here she's got the tuner, digital radio, a CD, her aux and a USB. Coming down here, you can see all of her controls, including she has aircon just here and her buttons. And if I show you just under there, I don't know if you can see, but she has got the USB connection. Ooh, just in there. This here is her gears, so she's 6 forward, 1 reverse. And if I took you this way, she has got the sports button, the auto stop start for when you're queuing in traffic, it saves you its economy, and the additional traction control. Coming over here, she's got additional glove box, and that is her main glove box. The towing hook is not for this Mini, it's for another Mini. I just put it in there for safekeeping. She has got up here the mood lighting, don't know if you can see that. And I'll just put the hood up so you can see that's all in working condition. I'll show you what she looks like with the hood up from the outside. She has got multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Just going to step out, door cards are all good. So there you have her. She is a 2012 Mini Cooper Convertible, very pretty colour blue. Can't remember the shade, but I'll look it up and put it on the website. I think it might be Horizon. If you'd like to see her in the flesh, give me a call. I'm on my mobile 07540 29 22 22, and details will be on our website, which is mrsmini.co.uk. Thanks for watching.